We got the ice cream
That's
cones.
not mine.
You should have took it. You should have took it.
I should have taken
We'll take that plus the ice cream cones.
Just take them, put them on your chest.
I don't know who. Somebody said it about.
it. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, man. What are you doing?
I need one more. Yes. Thank you.
What are you doing? Mike,
Oh, that
yo.
lady with confused. I'm hungry.
Oh,
How does it taste? How does it taste, Mike?
Tastes delicious, guys.